Hello student, today we will be dealing with chapter 1 of class 6 NCERT, that is understanding diversity. So in this particular lesson, we will be dealing with certain questions like what is diversity? What does diversity add to our lives? How did India become like this? And can diversity also be a part of unity? So let's understand diversity with a very simple story. So here is a story of a boy named Rahul. Every day while going to school in a way, he see a boy selling newspaper. So one day he stopped and asked for a Hindi newspaper from this boy. The boy got shocked. He said, Hindi? You seemed educated. I thought you will be asking for an English newspaper. So on this, Rahul said that I'm proficient in both the languages. That is one of my school subjects. The boy got shocked. He said, subjects? What do you mean by subjects? Rahul immediately understood that might be this boy had never been to school and had started working at a very young age. Out of curiosity, Rahul asked that, who are you? Where is your family? And what about where you belong to? So on this boy said that his name is Rahman. He's a Muslim and he lives in Meerut. That his family is not safe because of everyday trials. So what do you understand with this whole story? We understood that there are two kind of differences that exist in our society. One difference that is on the basis of language, religion, and cultural background, and the other difference which is present in the society due to presence of poverty and lack of resources. Like we can see that Rahul who knows both English and Hindi, but Rahman only knows Hindi. Moreover, Rahul is a Hindu and Rahman is a Muslim. Also, in terms of inequality, Rahul is a rich, he can go to school, whereas Rahman is poor, he cannot afford education. So we will be dealing with diversity. We will see that what diversity adds to our life. You just imagine that you were forced to leave a place like this, a place where everything is in black color. You have only one food to eat, and that food is potato. And you have only two type of animals there. That is, one is cat and other one is bat. Okay. Do you enjoy this place? So yes, this is what diversity add to our life. It add to our life different kinds of foods, colors, cultures, and festivals. We will see that what kind of diversity India holds. So India holds different kind of diversity, like on the basis of religion. You can see here ladies practicing Christianity, Islam, Hinduism. Festival diversity, like we have different kind of festivals followed by different traditions like Dahi Chuda in Bihar, Makar Sankranti in UP, Bihu in Assam, Pongal in Tamil Nadu. We have cultural diversity, linguistic diversity like Gujarati, Bengali, Oriya, Telugu, Tamil, etc. Okay, so let's understand it more because in NCERT there are two case studies are given to understand diversity more. We will be dealing with two places. One is Kerala, other is Ladakh to understand diversity. Let's see Ladakh first. So what is Ladakh? It is a desert in the mountain. Where it is located? So it is located in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. It receives very little rainfall and remains snowy. About water and resources. So people are mainly dependent on melting snow for water source. And also there are desert-like conditions, so agriculture is challenging. What the people do there for livelihood? So they rear animals like sheep and goats. Sheep and goats produce pashmina wool, and it is used to make expensive shawls. So this is what people do for livelihood. If we will be seeing about their diet or food they consume is meat and dairy products only. And if we'll seeing their culture, so both Buddhism and Islam is being practiced there. Then we'll move further to Kerala, which is a coastal state of India. It is situated on the southwest corner of India. It is surrounded by sea on one side and hills on the other side. Okay. And moreover, it is more famous for spices like pepper, cloves, and cardamoms. And these spices are one of the reasons for its historical background. We will see. For spices, a lot of people came from foreign to Kerala. Like first, St. Thomas, he came around 2000 years ago. Then Ibn Battuta, almost 700 years ago. Vasco da Gama also landed in Kerala first. Okay. It has a cultural diversity, like people practice here Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, and Buddhism. It has unique cultural elements as well, like this particular frying pan, which is called as chinachati. Okay. Now we have seen these two particular case studies, and we have understand that how they are diverse in terms of location, food, culture, etc. But the question here that can they be united as well despite of having diversity? So the answer is yes, they are united, and they had been united in past also. During the British rule, Indians of various cultures and regions came together to fight against the British. It is written in the book, very famous book of Jawaharlal Nehru, The Discovery of India. Here, he has emphasized that Indian unity was not imposed but came from within. Like he also described it further that the phrase unity in diversity should be used to describe India's diverse yet united nature. We are still united today by our national flag, national emblem, and national song, stories of our freedom fighters, etc. So this is it from this lecture for